the basic human values that he exercises and that he displays in everyday life. The fact that he is such a humble human being, the fact that he never projects himself as um, the, that he has to be in a position of leadership, the fact that he consults people, his respect for human beings, his respect for other people's opinions. I think those are the things that people can relate to well and that they appreciate in a world leader, and that is why he became so revered. Well, while he was president, he would always insist on when he goes to events where there was even a very stately atmosphere. He would insist on greeting security guards. He would insist on greeting the choir, and it was that humility that he projected to people or that he showed to people that he wanted to stay in touch with people. He often read in a newspaper about someone achieving well, or about someone suffering in some kind of position, and we would be on a plane the next morning traveling to that person or to a flood stricken area or where a shack was burned down, and he would communicate with those people himself.